Hi! In front of me is Blackview BV6600E, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to access settings, scroll all the way down and choose system. Now select languages and input, then on-screen keyboard and keyboard. After that, choose theme section and scroll down. Now you can choose show more over here. Tap on the best keyboard for you, I will go with that one, and manage keyboarders by choosing this switcher. To save your keyboard, tap on apply. As you can see, when I go back, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply by clicking on it. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. After that, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right on this slider. Now select done and manage keyboarders by clicking on the switcher. Lastly, apply your keyboard by choosing apply, and when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of mine was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!